Hi guys, my name is Jen Murphy and I have been a Lady Boss for just about 2 years now. So when I heard that Kaelin was coming out with a supplement line, I was beyond excited. So it is no shock that her supplement line is just as amazing as she is, and her stuff is really awesome. Whether you are taking the protein powder or the recover or the burn pills, they're all simply amazing. The one lab that I have really enjoyed taking and I can never see myself not having is definitely her rest. Now, the rest is so incredible because the rest not only allows you to feel relaxed and get that deep, meaningful sleep, but it also helps me wake up in the morning ready to conquer the day. So I am a teacher and I work 2 hours away from home. So it was not very likely that I was getting on that treadmill anytime soon when that alarm went off at 4 a.m. Since I've started taking rest, I have been able to get up at 4 a.m. and pop out of bed and hit that treadmill to get that fasted cardio in, and it's just really, really great. So if you want something to help you relax, to help you turn off your brain so you're not constantly thinking about that to-do list or the things that you need to do tomorrow, I definitely think you should try rest because it's amazing. Talk to you guys later.